Hello, happy holidays. So, nagbabasa ako ng mga notes na iniwan ng mga guests namin. Before, hindi kami nag-iwan ng lalagyanan ng notes or kahit yung sticky notes na pwede nilang pagsulatan. But our guests left this love letter, so we appreciate them kahit hindi namin expected. Ang sabi dito sa note ng previous guest namin, nice place to relax, watch Physical Asia on Netflix. We had a great night. So, ngayon ko lang na-realize na Physical Asia pala yung pinanood ng aming guest. At kami, pinanood namin siya few months before pero hindi namin natapos. Kasi yung TV namin na ginagamit namin sa bahay, dinala namin sa unit. Anyway, bakit ko na-share to? This is one of the use case. Bakit nag-staycation yung mga guest natin? Some of them rest day nila or nag-leave sila. Gusto lang nilang self-care day at gusto lang nila mag-binge watch sa Netflix. Gusto lang tapusin yung bagong season ng kung anumang series na pinapanood nila. Kaya in designing your staycation unit, dapat magiging staycation friendly siya. Yung tipong kung nasa loob lang ba ng unit mo buong maghapon yung guest mo, comfortable ba siya, mag-e-enjoy ba siya, self-sufficient ba siya, yung tipong makakasurvive siya sa unit mo, ma-entertain siya, magagawa niya yung gusto niya without messaging you, the host, and asking for things. Kaya for me, ibang-iba talaga yung positioning ng hotels, motels, and staycation units. Kasi sa staycation units, maraming pwedeng gawin yung guest. Yung tipong para lang silang nasa bahay, pero mas relaxing, mas cozy yung unit. Ayun lang na-share ko lang, I'm Wilma pala, I'm the unit operator of Tapisaw Suite at Tapisaw Stays. So, 10 month na akong host. And my goal in this channel is to share my learnings and experience para makatulong din tayo sa kapwa nating host or yung mga magiging host pa lamang to make their hosting profitable, easy, and worry-free. So, yun lang, share ko lang. If you have questions pala regarding Airbnb, you may join our Facebook groups. The link is in my bio. Diyan kayo mag-post sa mga questions nyo para makita din ng ating mga kapwa Airbnb host at masagot din. Bawal lang palang mag-promote ang unit natin dyan para fair at hindi tayo matag-spam. Ngayon pala, I'm preparing already. So, this January 2026, I will be creating a group masterclass about starting and operating your Airbnb business in a way that is easy, systematized, and profitable. Yan lang. Happy holidays! Thank you so much. Bye-bye!